Guys, Austin and I can't wait to show you this darling home right here in Old Cahaba in Helena, Alabama. Come on, let's take a look.
Built in 2018, this all-brick one-level home has been very well loved. Inside, you'll find cherry cabinets, LVP flooring, and a wood-burning fireplace that perfectly anchors the living space.
The split bedroom design gives everyone a little extra privacy with a spacious primary suite on one side and two comfortable bedrooms on the other. Everything's designed for low-maintenance living, including the covered porch.
But what really makes this home special is what surrounds it, the Old Cahaba community.
And right here in Old Cahaba, you'll find swimming pools, tennis courts, fishing lakes, and sidewalks that wind through the neighborhood, perfect for an evening stroll or a morning jog.
And just minutes away is Cahaba Lily Park, with walking trails, playgrounds, and pavilions, a favorite weekend spot for the locals.
Families love living here for the top-rated Helena schools, consistently ranked among the best in the Birmingham metro area. And with I-65 nearby, getting anywhere is easier.
Plus, downtown Helena is just a quick drive away, offering boutique dining, coffee shops, and local favorites that makes this small town one of Alabama's most loved places to call home.
If you're looking for a well-maintained home in one of Helena's most established neighborhoods, 129 River Crest Lane checks every box.
Reach out today and schedule your showing. We would love to show you around the Old Cahaba community.